Network of Care Massachusetts is a free, statewide, online tool that can help you find information about resources in your community for people of all ages with behavioral health needs. The site includes a service directory of over 5,200 listings of mental health, substance use, and related social service programs and organizations, information on how to navigate program eligibility requirements across state agencies, information on how to apply for and maintain health insurance, and an extensive library of health information. The site is ADA compliant and can be translated into multiple languages by clicking on one of the options on the blue bar displayed at the top of every page of the site. There are 2 ways to search for services in the directory. You can find a summary of these search tips on the how to use this site and how to search for information in the service directory pages. The first way is to search by keyword and zip code. For example, you could search for child therapist in zip code 01854. It is important to note that quotation marks are necessary when searching for a keyword that has more than one word included. This will pull up a page of results that match that search. If you want to narrow the search results, you can change the zip code radius to find services that are closest to the zip code entered, for example, within 5 miles. You can also filter the search results by languages spoken by agency staff, for example, Spanish. When you click on a listing, you will find information including the program or agency name, a description, contact information, hours of operation, area or geography served, specific populations served, like age groups, any application processes or eligibility requirements for that service, and languages spoken by staff. Listings can be shared via email, text, or as a print-friendly version. If you notice that any of the information is out of date, you can click on the Suggest Edits button. This will bring up a form where you can suggest changes to the listing. These changes go to our team, and we will verify and update the listing accordingly. The second way to search the service directory is to browse by clicking on categories and subcategories. To help you navigate, each subcategory has a question mark next to it that provides a definition. When you click on the subcategory, you will see all service listings in that category. On some pages, you'll also see a box on the side highlighting a service that can help you navigate to specific resources. This can be helpful for people who prefer speaking with someone on the phone rather than searching on an online database. Here you see the Mass Options box that appears with every older adult and disability listing. While the Network of Care Massachusetts service directory is an entirely web-based platform, we recognize that it might be helpful to talk to someone about locating services for your unique situation. On the homepage, you'll find links to services where you can speak with a trained specialist for help navigating the behavioral health system. Massachusetts Substance Use Helpline, NAMI Mass Compass, and Family Resource Centers all have trained staff that can help answer questions, provide information, and make referrals to services. It is also worth noting that the Network of Care Massachusetts service directory includes agencies, organizations, and therapists that practice in a group rather than by themselves as a solo therapist. If you are looking for a psychologist, social worker, or other licensed counselor to provide individual counseling or therapy, it may be best to use one of the services linked on the Find an Individual Behavioral Health Practitioner page. If you have questions about how to find, apply for, or enroll in health insurance coverage, you can visit the insurance section of the site from the main menu bar. Here, you'll find information on public insurance programs like Mass Health or Medicare, information on how to enroll for private insurance, and consumer navigation tools with resources to help you navigate obtaining health insurance and using your benefits to access behavioral health care. Finally, I want to highlight the library, which includes more than 30,000 articles and fact sheets about physical health and behavioral health produced by leading experts and organizations in the health field. You can find information here to increase your own understanding of health conditions and help you make decisions about the care that is best for you. Thank you for taking the time today to learn more about how to use Network of Care Massachusetts to take the first steps in connecting with resources in your community for people of all ages with behavioral health needs.